How to set up two-step verification on Microsoft Authenticator. So first of all, you guys want to do is simply go ahead to your browser and then search for Microsoft login and then go to the first link that pops up. So once you're there, here you'll have to go to your profile icon, just press tab, make sure you're signed in, and then go to my profile section. So once you go there, here after you see at your left hand side, you can see that there is security option. Simply press there. And then on security, you can see there are different ways you can never lose access to your account. And then once you scroll down a bit, you can see that interface will look somewhat like this. So here you can see at the bottom of the page, there is written two-step verification. Simply press on turn on, and then it will redirect you towards a page that would look like this. So here you'll have to press next once you learn or you go to this prompt. Simply press next and follow the prompts, and that's how you do it. So hopefully this video helps. Thank you.